Using Angry Cocktail's drink as inspiration, we will be making a mulled apple pie old-fashioned. Hey, Doc Martinez here, and with the holiday season upon us, I will be making some holiday-themed old-fashions. Now, today we'll be making a simple, easy-to-make old-fashioned. This is part of the KISS series to keep it simple. All the ingredients for this recipe are easy to find so that you may be able to enjoy this old-fashioned at home if you wish to too. Recently, I was watching a video by Angry Cocktails, and it immediately made my mouth water. He made a mulled bourbon pie cocktail. I immediately thought, I need to make a warm old-fashioned out of that cocktail. The kind of drink to warm your heart, spirits, and body. I used his drink as inspiration for my old-fashioned. I will definitely leave a link to his video below. Cocktail quiz time! What does mulled mean? The answer is somewhat spicy. If you are liking these videos, please subscribe and click on that notification button. It really does help the YouTube algorithm. Using Angry Cocktail's drink as inspiration, we will be making a mulled apple pie old-fashioned. Apple pie is my favorite type of pie, and as I mentioned before, his video made me salivate. What is your favorite pie? Mention your favorite pie in the comments below. Also, if you like apple or holiday cocktails, please check out this video next. Let's make a mulled apple pie old-fashioned. Mulled apple pie old-fashioned ingredients. 1 ounce mulled apple pie syrup as shown by Angry Cocktail. 2 ounces bourbon. 1 ounce hot water. 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Whole nutmeg. And you can garnish with the syrup-soaked apple slices if you haven't eaten them all. And a cinnamon stick. Let's start making a mulled apple pie old-fashioned. There is no ice necessary for this one because we want to have this one warm. First, we're going to start off with adding 1 ounce of the mulled apple pie syrup into the glass. And we're going to add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Next, we'll be adding 1 ounce of hot water. We're going to give that a little stir. Now we're going to add the 2 ounces of bourbon. Use your favorite bourbon. I happen to be using a Woodford Reserve Christmas edition. America. We're going to also give this another stir. Now what I like to do is grate a little bit of whole nutmeg on top. Now, if you don't have whole nutmeg, use whatever you have. Let's garnish with one of these apples. If you have any of those soaked apples left, they are very, very tasty. You can use one of those. You might not have any left. They are very, very tasty. Angry Cocktails was not joking. Also, if you like, go ahead and add a cinnamon stick. And so there you have it, the apple pie mulled old-fashioned. Cocktail quiz time. What does mulled mean? Answer: to heat, sweeten, and flavor a beverage such as wine or cider with spices. Thank you again, Angry Cocktail, for inspiring this drink. I would also like to mention that in a conversation with him, he did mention it would be extremely good as a liqueur, which is 1 part syrup to 2 parts whiskey, or to taste. So if anyone out there likes liqueurs, maybe you could try it that way and then let us know how it tastes. Let's taste the mulled apple pie old-fashioned. Wow. Okay, that is very, very strong. That mulled part is so good. It just makes you think of Christmas right away, or just makes you think of the holidays. It is such a good drink. The cinnamon in it is pretty strong as well, and I could taste that at the end. Cinnamon always kind of gave me a little burn, and I taste that at the end there. But don't forget, one of the best parts of this is also eating that apple. So good. Mulled apple pie old-fashioned. Hope you enjoy. Cheers, and see you on the next video.